Want to save $25 on your Collier County marriage license and skip the mandatory 3-day wait? If you are planning to get married in Naples, Marco Island, Immokalee, or anywhere in Collier County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Collier County Clerk of Courts. But you do not need to pay full price, and if you are a Florida resident, you absolutely do not need to wait 3 days to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling, a licensed mental health counselor here in Florida and a national certified counselor. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Collier County process, what documents you need, and a legal loophole to save money and time. First, let's look at the specific local cost. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Collier County Clerk's office is $86. However, if you complete an approved 4-hour premarital course, like the official Florida program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to discount your fee under Florida statutes 741.01 and 741.0305. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to $61, instantly saving you $25. Beyond saving money, there is a major time-saving benefit. Under Florida state law, if either you or your partner is a Florida resident, you are forced to wait 3 full days after applying before your marriage license becomes valid. But if you present our completed premarital course certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 3-day wait. You could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the building. Note that if both of you are out-of-state residents, there is no waiting period at all. But taking the course still qualifies you for the $25 fee discount. To get this $25 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course fulfills the 4-hour requirement, is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $14.49. Since you are saving $25 at the courthouse, taking our course actually puts you ahead financially, and your official certificate is valid for a full year. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person. You can visit the main Collier County Clerk of Courts office located at 3315 Tamiami Trail East in Naples, or use a satellite office like the North Collier Government Services Center or Everglades City Hall. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza Counseling certificate along with valid government-issued photo IDs like a driver's license or passport, and know your social security numbers. The clerk accepts cash, checks, money orders, or credit cards, though a 3.5% fee applies for cards. They will verify your certificate, apply your discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your Collier County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions about the Collier County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.